Welcome to our Gardening in the City update week 5. Here you see our blueberry bushes, now our raspberry bushes. Super excited. Unfortunately, we learned this week that, and our nice mulched-in tree with all of our leaves, that you cannot eat first-year blueberries, that we're supposed to take them off as soon as you get them. So, unfortunately, all of those beautiful blueberries that we'll be getting will have to be removed, but next year will be great. Here we have our watermelon plants, soon to be moved to the other side of the yard for a lot more sun. Here you see the panoramic view of our garden. Things are going well. Today, this week, we learned a couple new words: full sun and pollination. So, this next week, we're going to be exploring those concepts and seeing if we can start bearing some fruit. I know our one of our zucchini plants, our yellow squash plant, started bearing fruit this week. And then we had so much rain, it destroyed it. So a little upset, but so far it looks good. Green peppers, broccoli, okra, cauliflower. In the corner, we ended up with 2 people planting. We have a mix of carrots and snap peas. So you can see right here, our green beans are going crazy, along with our snap peas. Here we have some good onions, kale, spinach. Excited for these things. I'm gonna take you over. We just transplanted some strawberries today. I had them in a growing bag and that wasn't working. So hopefully by next week we'll see some greenery there. But here we are. Lots of fun, lots of learning. So if you have any tips or ideas for how to make this garden more successful, please feel free to add on. Otherwise, we'll update you later next week. Have a great day. God bless.